You think I'm telling the market what to do? Yeah. You talk a lot of trash and a lot of nonsense. I just don't like you people. Most of you talk a lot of nonsense because you have just a stupid phone. You just click on buttons. You just don't think. You don't think. You don't use your brains. You just like to click buttons and you just talk what comes out of your brain. You think that now I think I'm supposed to be talking. You just like to click on buttons. Mr. Just Me, get out of my class, my friend. Get out of here. I don't need you here. Okay, Mr. Just Me, get out of here. We've taken a buy right now, all right? It's supposed to continue to go up. This is manipulation. You understand? I've been here. I've been giving out entries. This is not the first entry I'm giving out. This is not the first entry. You understand, Mr. Just Me? All right? Me, I just don't like to have people in my class who are arguing without facts. Right? I just don't. I'm cracking because I'm trying to explain sense and someone is talking nonsense. You understand? I'm trying to look at a comment where I would at least answer a real question, but by the time I'm looking at these contents, I mean, I see a lot of crap. I don't see any relevant question. Ask reasonable questions. I mean, have you taken the buy for USD CAD? We took Bitcoin sales, we're in profit. I told you about gold. You're not supposed to be buying gold. It's bearish. It's been dropping. Now, this is USD CAD. I've given out for free, and someone is talking trash down here. I gave out the gold sale under my posts. You see, go to my posts on this TikTok. All right, go and see how I've been telling you about gold, that it's dropping. But go through the comments and see how everyone is just trashing me. Everyone. Why? Because retail traders think the same. That's why 97% of you will always lose money. You don't like to be told what to do. You're just full of ego. You don't understand the market. You just think that you understand the market because you know what a candlestick is. I mean, think. Have you taken the buy? For those people who listen, have you taken USD CAD buys? I've said the stop loss is at 1 point. Look at that. Look at the market. It's even moving. You should be in profit already. I've said this, that the stop loss is supposed to be placed at 1.3500. All right? And then the take profit is supposed to be placed at 1.39200. Is this not spoon feeding you? I've already spoon fed you, my friend. This is spoon feeding, if you understand what I mean. This is basically spoon feeding you. Yes, that is a bullish market. The market is supposed to go up. Use proper risk management. I've told you this, that if you open, I've even given you the risk management parameters. I've told you this. If you open it right now with a 0.01 lot size, all right, you stand to risk, all right, $5, all right, and then you stand to gain. This is a what? This is a 1 to 5. You stand to gain 25 USD. This is a 1 to 5. You're supposed to make 5 times your investment. But for risk management parameters, for those people who do not understand what risk management is and how to handle risk management, I've told you this, that if you open with a 0.01 lot size, you shall have risked at least $5 on this buy, okay? Don't miss this buy, all right? This is a very good time to buy USD CAD because this is a bullish market. You can see this bounce from this bottom here, and in fact, this is a trap. You see this? It's called a trap. It's called a bear trap. It's meant to trap sellers. Don't be among those sellers who've been trapped, because there are sellers who think that this market is bearish, and 97% of retail traders think that this market is bearish. All right? I repeat, 97% of retail traders think that this market is bearish. Don't be among the 97%. Right? You have to change now. Most retail traders lose money. Stop losing money. Don't be among them. Okay? This is called a bear trap. When most retail traders see this, they start selling. You understand? They see this pattern here, this one here. You see this kind of consolidation. They see this kind of consolidation. They will sell from down here, and then they'll put their stop losses above here. Okay? This is a bullish market. We've discussed why the dollar is bullish. You understand? Yes. Very nice, very nice. For those people who are following, good for you. And I believe that you're going to make more money as long as you just follow. Understand by following. Don't Don't argue if you do not have facts. You know, most of you use just trend lines to draw, to follow the market, when in real sense, there are things you're supposed to be following, not trend lines. Okay? We don't follow the market with trend lines. That's dumb trading. It's called dumb trading. Don't trade like a dumb person. That's why they are called retail traders. Like, they are dumb retail traders, you know. Retail traders are supposed to be losing money. Don't be among them. Retail traders are meant to be losing money. Don't lose money like a retail trader. I hope this class is beneficial, because you see, I've even given you an entry. I've been talking, yapping, discussing, making a lot of noise, getting angry over some people here. There are people who just make my day difficult, my friend. You make my work so difficult. I just wonder. When in real sense, I'm here to spoon feed you. Stop buying gold. Leave gold alone. This is USD CAD. Focus on this bullish move from down here. Stop loss 1.3500. Take profit 1.39. This is a 1 to 5. I've given you a 1 to 5 for free. 1 to 5. Spoon feeding. Spoon feeding you. 1 to 5. A free 1 to 5.
Hello, I'm going to pay for your mentorship tomorrow. I'm failing it tomorrow. But I want to tell you this. I've been in this industry for quite too long now for me to be successful in it. Unfortunately, I'm not yet successful. Of recent, about 4 to 5 months ago, I purchased a course. After going through the course, I'm still even in the program whereby we normally host classes sometimes.
Are you in already?
Honest with you,
I hope you're in.
Profitable. That's why I'm still even holding myself to purchase this mentorship. If not, I would even holding myself to purchase this mentorship. If not, I would have bought the mentorship. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm in your class on TikTok. But I want to be honest with you. If I buy this your mentorship, if I do not see what I want to see, that will be my last on financial markets, because I've really thrown away a lot of money. And sometimes I will start making money. Before you know it, I will blow the whole of that money. Okay? I'm really sick and tired of it. I will give your own a try. But after this yours, if something not successful comes out of it, I will go out of financial market, because check from year 2002 to 2025. That is 3 years. This year we make it 4 years.
Are you in? Are you in? Are you in?
I'm not yet calculating 4 years.
We're in a buy here.
3 years and
Hope you're in.
so after this one, if I'm not successful, I will go away from the financial market. I will see it as a scam. But I will buy the course anyway.
I hope you're in the buy. I'm still screaming here, shouting, telling people to buy USD CAD because they don't know what to do this week. Those people who would like to lose money, don't lose money this week. There's a buy here, take it, make money. That's just that. Don't stop losing money, my friend. Stop losing money. This money, you lose it because the market is designed so that you can lose money. But the moment you've understood what is happening, I mean, everything starts becoming clear. I mean, it's a matter of waiting. You know, most of you are on a lower time frame trying to do a lot of nonsense there on 1 hour, 15 minutes, trying to check a lot of noise there. This is how it's supposed to be done. This is now execution. The 4-hour time frame is for executing. From down here, we're expecting a bullish move to 1.39. Take the buy and then hold. Just that. Your job here is, imagine that. My job is to tell you what is happening, and then I even give you an entry like this, and then I tell you just buy. Is this not spoon feeding? This is basically spoon feeding you, my friend. I'm telling you, this is spoon feeding. The true name for this I would give it is what we call spoon feeding. I mean, this is just spoon feeding you. And good thing, most of you will not enter. You are skeptical. The entry is very much valid. Nothing has happened yet. We've still not moved yet. Come on. Use your eyes. Check. See. Look at that. The move has not happened yet. There's nothing much that has happened yet from down here. We just entered. You see, we're expecting it to go up to close above this pattern and to, in fact, proceed to as high as 1.39. So, your job is to hold and wait. If that is too difficult, then I don't know what you're doing in the financial market. Because you see, don't look for excitement. All right? Don't look for excitement. Look for proper trading. Okay? We are buying to, you see the TP? You see the TP? Buy now. Stop using limits. Buy now. USD CAD. You see that? Giving it to you for free. There's a good entry down there. It's a good entry for a buy. Take the buy, hold it. Just that. Okay? Yeah, I hope you're in. Guys, take care of yourselves. This is my WhatsApp number. Let me give it to you so that you can join us in our private class so that you can get entries like this. I hope you're in. 7481 76481. So, here it is. Talk to me. Come and join us. Okay? Come and join this winning team, my friend. We have a winning team. Come and join us. Yes, you should be in profit. Everyone should be in profit. Profits are coming, my friends. It has not moved. It has not moved even any. Like nothing has happened yet. Come on. But now something is coming. You know, that's a good thing. Nothing much has happened, but something is coming. From down here, we are gone. That's an entry. Don't buy gold. That's my advice for you today on gold. Don't buy gold. That's my only advice on you for gold today. Don't buy gold. Just that. Don't buy gold. Just don't buy gold. That's my advice for you today on gold. Don't buy gold. Okay? Do not buy gold. Alright, guys? Yeah. Our USD should continue to drop. There's no entry. There's a huge stop loss that you're supposed to use. Leave alone our USD. There are huge stop losses there. All right? There are huge stop losses on our USD and also in ZUSD. I'm giving you a trade that has a good entry. You get it? I have given you right now a trade that has a good entry. Okay? Yes. Any relevant question? My number here, this is my number. Come on, you're not seeing it on the screen? It's right there. My number is there. This is a free entry. Yani, can you imagine someone who comes online, gives you an entry, teaches you for free, asks you to pay $50 to get access to the private group, gives you tells you everything, gives you, spoon feeds you. My friend, I wish I had someone like me when I was starting out. Okay? I wish I had someone like me when I was starting. Because the financial market, guys, you people can tell me. Like, sometimes it can be difficult, especially if you don't know what's happening. Like now, you see people are basically trying to sell when in real sense, when they start seeing a bullish move here, they will not even be interested in buying. Yeah? Yes, I'm in the 254. You see this code? Yes, I'm there. 254. Right? Yes, wait for it. Wait for a bullish move. You will see. You will see, my friend. You will see. The reason as to why we are focused on a bullish move is the fact that the dollar is bullish. When the dollar is bullish, you buy USD CAD, USD JPY, USD Swiss. We also took a USD Swiss buy. Earlier today in the private group, we took a USD Swiss buy. Most of you are not in, of course, because you're not in the private group. Alright? This one, let me show you. You see this one? You see a buy there? Look at those entries. We took the first one last week. See that entry? And then see the second one now happening. You see this false breakout. You see those blue lines? They represent the support area. You see? So the market is supposed to continue to go up. You understand? Whether this gap closes or not, the market is supposed to continue to go up. Alright? That is the whole concept. Now, I believe you're in USD CAD buys. We're expecting this one to continue to go up. Alright? A false breakout has happened. This is manipulation. This is called a trap. This one here. Test of the top here, the bottom here, the top here, and then close below. It's called a double top. So as soon as this pattern has formed in a bullish market, we start buying. I hope you're in. Yeah, that is it. This here is the 4-hour time frame. Are you not seeing? Oh, let me adjust this for you to see. You see that? Yes, now I believe you can see everything. Don't buy gold. I'm telling you, leave gold alone. I've told you this. Let me go back to gold again and again and tell you this. That yes, you could see a bullish move here, but that does not mean that the market is bullish. Okay? Stop trading the lower time frames. You're seeing a lot of noise down there. I know you could see a bullish move there, but that is probably going to give us a close above here before we start selling again. Remember, whether it gives us a double bottom, this structure, remember guys, how do we get sales? The prices consolidate in an area like this, and after completing this consolidation, a close above like that, we continue selling. You've seen what we've been doing with gold, with Bitcoin. Okay, so whether it continues to drop from where it is right now or closes above up here, we are still going to continue to sell. That is the whole concept. You understand? Do not buy it. Okay, let's focus on USD CAD buys. From this bottom, we're expecting a bullish move all the way up to close above the range and extend further up. Don't sell this one. Focus on buys on USD CAD. There's a pattern here that has given us a trap. This is a close below that confirms that trap. Okay, I hope you're together. I will continue giving you updates as the market continues to move. Do not be tricked by the small bearish candles. Okay, you understand? Do not be tricked by small bearish candles or small bullish candles. Don't be tricked by candlesticks. Trade price action. Price action works. Okay, price action. Understand? Why have I taken a buy? I've taken a buy because of the fact that the prices have given me a double top from down here, and a double top means that the market should continue to go up. You understand? Especially in a bullish market. So as soon as you've seen a close below like this that happened last week, so this bounce from here is not by coincidence. It means that the market should continue to go up. That's why we've taken the buy and we've put our stop losses below the previous low. The previous low is right here. You see this? That was it. All right, that's why you have stop losses at 1.3500. Expect this one to continue to go further up. This is a trap here. When it closes below an area like this, it's usually a trap. You see this? This is called a trap down here. Okay, it's called a trap. All right guys, I believe you're with me. Don't buy gold. Leave gold alone. It's going to continue to drop. Don't be surprised. I just hope you don't be surprised by gold, especially those people who are trying to buy it right now. Don't be surprised with gold. And the thing with this market is, the moment you've taken that gold buy and then you start seeing just one bullish candle, when you see one bullish candle and then maybe you see some profits, it will confuse you. You would think that you're so right. You will add to those buys. I'm telling you, leave gold alone. Trade where there's liquidity. Like, look at this. Someone is trying to trade gold right now when in real sense we have an entry here. Look at this. I've given you a 1 to 5. But someone is ignoring this. But because they like to trade gold, they prefer to blow their accounts on gold, right? My friend, gold does not have an entry right now. It's supposed to drop. But it could give us a double bottom before it continue to drop. Leave it alone. You understand? We are looking at USD CAD. From this bottom, it's supposed to go up. In fact, this is just but a temporary zone. It's supposed to extend above. It's supposed to go above. That is for USD CAD. That's where we have an entry. Don't buy gold. As much as you're seeing bullish candlesticks, they do not mean that the market is going to go up. Okay? I repeat, as much as you're seeing bullish candlesticks, it does not mean that the market is going to go up. Okay? Very nice. So guys, I want to leave you for now, and then I'm still going to come back to give you updates of what's happening and how far we are with USD CAD. I hope you don't close your positions. I hope also you use the right stop loss. We are supposed to place stop losses at 1.35. So whatever happens here, still at the end of the day, we're expecting a bullish move from this bottom here. Do not sell USD CAD. The dollar is bullish, so focus on buying USD CAD from this bottom here. The target is 1.392. That is a temporary target. It's supposed to extend above, although that's just but a temporary zone where we could get this is just but a temporary target here, up here. All right, that's a temporary target. Now, as you continue holding this one, let's talk later. How to know when to enter is because we use these traps. Come and learn, Madam. Who is this? Madam Rose, come and learn. So look at this. How to enter, you wait for this consolidation. You see this kind of consolidation? It's called a trap. You see that? Then you start looking for buys as soon as this one has closed below here. Okay? When this one has closed below, that's when you start looking for buys. Okay? That's how it works. On the 4-hour time frame is where we focus on execution. Execution is done on the 4-hour time frame. Execution. I repeat, execution is done on the 4-hour time frame.